Welcome to a new vlog. So this is day 3. So it's a foggy morning as you can see in Camps Bay. It's cold. I need to wear my jacket. Let's see what Pooja is doing inside. Pooja is all dressed up, ready to leave, huh?
Hi, good morning.
And Pooja is making all healthy breakfast for today morning.
I'm making porridge.
So yesterday evening we went out to the nearest supermarket. Actually, it was not near because everything.
We drove for 20 minutes to only get some bananas and oats.
And we are just preparing our breakfast, and soon we'll be hopefully soon when the weather gets clear, we'll go out.
So our breakfast is ready. I have made some oats porridge and topped it with some bananas. And yeah, that's all about it. That's all we have in our kitchen. So from the time we checked in at this apartment, Riju wasn't working. He was like lazing around. So today morning I asked him to make some tea.
Which is just putting hot water and this.
That's too much of work for you, I guess.
Before we head out, I think Pooja is jotting down all the things to do for today and all the itinerary of places we'll be visiting.
Yeah, things to do for today. And this kind of journal really helps me for my blogs because I often forget that where we visited and what we did. So it's better I write it down. So today the weather is really foggy. We didn't expect this much of fog around. Earlier we planned that we'll be heading out from home around 7:30 and would explore most of the places in and out. So it's 9 now. We almost waited for 2 hours hoping the clouds would move, but no, hard luck. So there is some change in the plan.
So we decided to explore the city a bit, and we'll now be going to a place called Vocab, which is a colorful neighborhood. So let's see. We wanted to go to that place any which way. So I think you can see in the front. You can show them.
Yeah, I'll show it.
How foggy it is.
It's absolutely foggy. So I've googled some of the pictures. It's really Instagrammable friendly. So let's see, go there and check out the neighborhood. But first, I'm gonna show you the weather. I really hope the sun comes out and we can visit all the places we have decided for the day. Fingers crossed. So we reached Vocab locality. As you can see, this is a very colorful locality. Loving it here, so vibrant and so colorful. From our apartment, it took us almost 15 minutes drive. And look, here we are. I hope we'll get some amazing pictures here. So this is a very compact and small neighborhood. All the houses are so colorful.
And it's really Instagrammable.
So we won't be spending much time here. We'll just explore a bit, look around, and then let's see where we can head back. So Riju is waiting for me to click some of his pictures. So now we are done exploring this colorful neighborhood. And now we are heading back to the car again. Probably we have a plan to go and visit the waterfront. So now we are heading towards the waterfront from Vocab because we want to go and explore some cafes there. We'll just go sit, relax, and let's see what we can do next because the weather has not cleared yet and we don't know how to go about this. So yeah, let's go and check out the waterfront. So we came to a mall, it's called the Waterfront Mall and it is one of the biggest mall here in Cape Town. So we are just randomly walking around, just looking by the stores, seeing what we can get. But Riju, what are you doing?
I'm just searching for places, what we can do today.
So this is the first mall we are visiting here. So nothing much to do, but we are
not in our
just...
itinerary, just visiting because the weather is bad.
Yeah, we don't have anything much to do.
But
so
we'll go out hopefully soon and check the harbour and how it looks like
So-
from there.
So I saw one of my favorite stores here. Probably I'll go and check it out if I can get something. Let's
I'm
see.
guessing it's H&M.
Yeah, bingo! You know me so well. So yeah, let's see. Probably I'll grab a coffee, and then we'll check around the nearby areas. So this is the mall. Looks pretty big. And its name is Victoria's Wharf. So if you're coming at waterfront, you can definitely go and check it out. So this is the whole of waterfront area. We are just walking around, lazing around, because we are still confused. What should we do for the rest of the day? Maybe we'll plan something, right? Let's see.
Yeah,
We'll
it depends on
plan
the weather. I'm just hoping the weather clears up and we'll go to some of the places that we thought of.
From the day we landed here, today is the first day that I'm relaxing on the street. Otherwise, it's like running all around. So we are randomly walking on the street, and some of the locals suggested that there is a good marketplace happening at the backside of this mall. So yeah, we'll go there and see what all we can find. But look at the weather, guys. It's so foggy from morning. I don't know what is wrong with the sun today. So this is the harbour and the Vienna waterfront. It's been almost 20 minutes. We are randomly walking, getting lost here and there and discovering new places. But it's kind of fun, you know, knowing some unknowns. So after walking for a mile, we found this happening market by the waterfront. It has restaurants, cafes around. We really love exploring this kind of places.
And right in front, you have the Cape Eye. Nice place to sit.
Yeah, it's very happening here. So we randomly stopped by a cafeteria and Riju ordered latte. I'll share from his because I'm not in a mood to drink coffee today. Also, we have ordered lunch. So first we'll finish our coffee and then we'll eat our lunch. So before starting this trip, we took an oath. Remember this, Riju?
Yeah,
I think we are completely abiding by that, right?
trying our best.
So the oath was, we'll eat healthy. And so we are binging on salads.
Anyway, bon appetit.
But the people next to us, they are eating steaks and fries. My eyes are on their plate, yeah? But still, I love salads. Okay, so we'll finish our lunch and let's see what we can do next. So bon appetit. Finished our lunch and again back on road.
It cleared up a bit, and we were so hopeful that it would be. I mean, we can see the Table Mountains properly.
The sun just showed up like poop, and then again back into the clouds.
So anyway, we are heading towards Camps Bay. Hopefully, if we can get some pictures there, or else we'll head to Hout Bay. We'll see once we reach there what to do.
So let's go and check Hout Bay. Alright, we reached Hout Bay. We directly came from Vienna waterfront and it took almost 15 to 20 minutes drive from there. So there is a seal on the road. I don't know if it's a pet or it just came out of the ocean.
Okay. So we came to Hout Bay just to take on the seal cruise. So we want to view the seals. It's there in the Diker Island. So it's a normally 45-minute cruise. The cost per person is 90 per adult, or for child it's 45. And we didn't need to do any prior booking. We just came here and just booked. So we'll have to wait for 30 minutes and the boat would, or the cruise would leave. And it's a glass bottom boat. So excited to see the seals. Pujari, you're excited?
Yeah, very much. Even we saw one on the road. I think that's
I can see some there as well, Pujari. We can already see some seals. So one is diving here, right here. There are multiple there as well, but one is right here.
But we'll go to Seal Island and see thousands of those. So there are so many street shops here in Hout Bay. And we are waiting for our cruise. I mean the glass bottom boat. It would take around 30 minutes to come. Can you see the seals? Oh, see the seals? They just came out of the water and playing or fighting. Oh, nice.
Pooja is being adventurous, going too close. Okay, so we are off to Dikers Island to watch the seals. The weather is pretty cold, still foggy, but hopefully once we reach there, the Dikers Island would be very close so we can watch the seals. So we forgot our skull caps. We brought all of those and it's pretty cold.
So these are the consequences of forgetting skull caps.
So finally we have reached the Dikers Island and you can see so many seals. Guys, wow. This is incredible. Pujai?
There are like thousands and millions of them. From Dikers Island, we are already back to Hout Bay now. The trip took us almost 45 to 50 minutes to and fro. We saw so many seals, but the area was really stinky. But never mind. It was a good experience overall. We were hoping the weather should get clear, but unfortunately our hard luck. It's still foggy around, and now we have decided to go to Chapman's Peak again. Yesterday we went there, it was too cloudy, we couldn't see anything. The visibility was not that great, so we'll try our luck today again. So let's see. You're feeling warm?
Yeah.
The sea was windy. Even we forgot our skull cap, and my goodness, it was like, ooh, freezing. Anyway, let's go to Chapman's Peak.
And let's see if we can get a view.
Yeah, okay, let's go. So this is the Chapman's Peak. You can see the visibility is very bad at 0. It's very much foggy here.
Okay, so we went to Chapman's Peak again. We actually went to the toll gate and asked how is the visibility today, and they mentioned it's the same. So it's very foggy. So we turned around and came back to another point in Camps Bay, where you get the best picture possible of Cape Town, but it's really foggy again. So there is nothing else to do for us. So I think what we have decided, let's go back to our hotel room and relax in the evening. Probably have a cup of coffee or tea.
And by 6:37 we'll come out again for dinner.
Yeah, that's it. So looks like this is how it would be ending our day 3 here in Cape Town. Hopefully tomorrow will be a better day. So we may need to change our plans according to the weather. We'll see.
Yeah, things are not going according to the plan. As of now.
But that's why we have kept a couple of days in Cape Town, just hoping that if things go wrong, if we can still make sure that we are able to change our plans and itinerary. So hopefully, let's see. Let's hope for the best. Fingers crossed. Okay.
I hope tomorrow it doesn't rain because the forecast says so.
I don't know.
hope
Let's see. Let's see. So hope you have liked the video. So tomorrow, day 4 will be another video. So to check out that, what you need to do.
And this vlog we are ending it here. So subscribe to our channel, guys, and hit that notification bell, ting ting ting. So whenever we post new videos, you get notified.
For now,
Goodbye
bye-bye.
from day 3.